Top trending AI agent projects this week. In this video, we walk through powerful agents that automate research, coding, workflows, planning, and real-world decision-making. You'll see how these tools help teams work faster and smarter in simple, practical ways. Stick around to discover how agents like Giselle and Dropstone turn complex tasks into smooth, automated workflows.
Welcome back to Multimodal tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Giselle, Visual AI Agent Workflow Builder for Teams. Here's something that feels like the future of work with AI, and it's called Giselle, a visual AI agent platform that lets you create and run powerful AI workflows without writing code, all through a clean node-based interface where AI agents act like team members tackling real tasks. Giselle connects to multiple large language models and data sources, so your agents can pull insights, automate research, write specs, review code, update docs, and more, all in context and with real autonomy, making your team faster and smarter by handling repetitive work so you can think deeper. You build these flows visually by dragging and dropping nodes that represent tasks, and agents can integrate with tools like GitHub to trigger actions on issues, pull requests, or content updates, giving you tight integration with your existing development environments. This matters right now because teams everywhere are trying to move beyond simple single-prompt chat interactions to coordinated agent systems that reason across models and data to get work done. Giselle is for developers, product builders, solopreneurs, and innovation teams who want concrete productivity gains and smoother execution, such as an agent that reads web research, summarizes trends, and drafts a product pitch automatically. Explore it today and see how far it can take your ideas. Project number 2, Agent by Firecrawl, Web Data AI Agent for Research Tasks. Here's something that feels like the future of data gathering and AI automation with Agent by Firecrawl, an AI agent API that searches, navigates, and gathers data from even the most complex parts of the internet without the manual setup traditional scrapers demand. Agent by Firecrawl acts like a digital research partner that understands your request in plain language and then goes deep into websites to find hard-to-reach information, browsing through nested menus, forms, gated content, and dynamic pages to return structured data you can use directly in workflows or AI reasoning tasks. This platform is built around automation and AI-powered web crawling, so teams and developers can feed real-world, up-to-date knowledge into models and applications without building custom scraping layers from scratch, making it valuable for market research, competitive analysis, lead generation, and data-driven decision-making. Agent by Firecrawl fits naturally into modern AI systems as a tool for autonomy and context memory, reducing hours of manual work to minutes. A researcher could ask it to gather pricing details across competitors' sites and then synthesize insights automatically. Give it a run and watch automation unfold in real time. Project number 3, Dropstone, Self-Learning AI IDE for Developers. Here's something that feels like you've stepped into a new kind of coding partner with Dropstone, an AI agent-powered development environment that blends deep reasoning with autonomous engineering right inside a familiar code editor. Dropstone isn't just another autocomplete tool, it's a recursive, agentic IDE built on a local runtime that orchestrates swarms of AI workers in the background to explore, compile, debug, and reason through code, letting you focus on design instead of repetitive tasks. Its Horizon Mode and D3 engine help keep vast context alive across thousands of files, so your AI companion understands architecture, dependencies, and intent across large projects while pruning logic dead ends automatically, reducing errors and boosting quality. Because it runs as a desktop app layered on a VS Code-compatible interface, developers and engineering teams can integrate their favorite workflows and models while letting the system learn from interactions and adapt over time, making subsequent tasks smoother and more reliable. A practical use could be letting Dropstone analyze a sprawling repository to suggest fixes, write tests, and optimize performance without manual instruction. Give it a run and watch automation unfold in real time. Project number 4, Molmo 2, Open Video and Multimodal AI Understanding Model. Here's something that feels like the future of visual AI intelligence, and it's called Molmo 2, a next-generation multimodal AI model family from the Allen Institute for AI that can truly interpret videos and multiple images with grounded reasoning and spatial understanding. Molmo 2 isn't just another vision model, it blends a powerful language backbone with a vision encoder so it can watch a video clip, answer what's happening, point to exactly where events occur, track objects as they move, count actions over time, and produce dense, searchable descriptions that link images and language together in context. It matters right now because teams building AI tools, analytics systems, robotics brains, or digital assistants want models that understand visual data rather than just caption it, and Molmo 2 pushes open systems to perform at levels comparable to closed proprietary models while remaining transparent and extensible. Developers, researchers, and creators can try Molmo 2 interactively in the AI2 playground or integrate the models and training data into workflows so they can automate tasks like analyzing security footage, extracting insights from complex video sets, or powering smarter visual search. Explore it today and see how far it can take your ideas. Project number 5, OptiVault. AI Personal Financial Advisor for iOS. Here's something that feels like your money finally gets a brain of its own with OptiVault, an AI-powered personal financial advisor built as a native iOS app that helps you manage budgets, connect all your accounts, and make smarter decisions about spending and saving without spreadsheets or guesswork. OptiVault reads your transactions securely through bank-grade encryption and Plaid connections to more than 12,000 institutions, giving you a clear picture of how your money flows and where you can cut costs or reach your goals faster. The AI doesn't just show numbers, it analyzes patterns like wasted subscriptions and abnormal spending, categorizes purchases automatically, and suggests real steps like adjusting budgets or planning for large goals like a house or retirement. This matters in today's world because many people struggle with fragmented finances and manual tracking tools, and OptiVault brings automation and actionable insights into one place so you can focus on building wealth, not juggling spreadsheets. It's made for everyday users, savers, and anyone who wants clarity and guidance on their financial journey, such as an AI plan that highlights hidden fees and proposes a path to grow your net worth. Explore it today and see how far it can take your ideas. Project number 6, Vibe Pocket, Mobile AI Coding and Development Agents. Here's something that feels like the future of coding on the go with Vibe Pocket, a cloud-based platform that runs AI agents like Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, and others, so you can build, run, and debug software from any device without installing anything locally, turning your browser or phone into a full development environment powered by intelligent agents. Vibe Pocket connects to your GitHub account securely, pulls your repositories, and gives you an always-on terminal and workspace in the cloud, where AI assistants help generate commands, write code, suggest fixes, and keep your sessions alive even when you switch devices or close a tab, blending automation and mobility in a seamless workflow. This matters right now because developers are tired of context switching between machines and environments, and Vibe Pocket's agent-driven CLI experience lets you jump into real coding tasks from wherever you are, speeding up iterations and reducing setup friction. It's ideal for devs and teams who want productivity on the move, such as fixing bugs or testing features while away from a desktop. Try it once, and you'll feel how much smoother your workflow becomes. Project number 7, Nowadays AI Planner for Corporate Events. Here's something that feels like rethinking corporate logistics with Nowadays, an AI agent-driven event planning platform that handles everything from sourcing venues to coordinating budgets, communications, and registrations, so teams don't waste weeks on emails and spreadsheets. Nowadays uses AI automation to search a database of hundreds of thousands of vetted venues, estimate travel and budgets instantly, send personalized outreach emails, manage vendor negotiations, and even provide proposal comparisons in seconds instead of hours, making it a real planning partner rather than a simple scheduling tool. This matters because organizing events traditionally involves tons of repetitive work, and nowadays intelligent orchestration cuts down manual busy work, so executive assistants, event marketers, agencies, and travel teams can focus on strategy rather than coordination. A use case could be automating the entire process of planning a corporate retreat, choosing city, estimating costs, booking venues, and handling registrations, all from one platform. Explore it today and see how far it can take your ideas. Project number 8, Basedash, AI native business intelligence platform. Here's something that feels like data finally speaks your language with Basedash, an AI native business intelligence platform that lets teams ask questions and get dashboards, charts, and insights instantly without writing SQL, drawing from connected data sources, and letting the AI interpret schemas and visualize answers in seconds. Basedash brings intelligence into analytics by letting users simply describe what they want to see, and then the system generates the visualizations and reports automatically, making data exploration easy for everyone on the team rather than just analysts, and freeing up developers and business users from manual query writing. This matters because modern companies struggle to unify and understand data fast enough, and Basedash's natural language interface, deep integrations, and automated insights help teams focus on decisions rather than data wrangling, whether tracking customer trends or monitoring key performance metrics. A practical example is asking the platform to show your top revenue generators by region and instantly getting a clear dashboard that updates as data flows in. Give it a run and watch automation unfold in real time. Project number 9, Omakase, voice-powered sales AI agent. Here's something that feels like your website finally gets a smart salesperson with Omakase.ai, a voice-powered AI agent platform that transforms e-commerce sites into interactive sales assistants that listen, talk, and recommend products in real time without heaps of setup or code, acting more like a friendly store clerk than a static chatbot. By simply linking your site or store URL, Omakase.ai, AI builds an agent that understands product catalogs and customer intent and engages visitors through voice and chat to answer questions, suggest items, and help customers decide what to buy, bringing automation and personalization together in context. This matters because typical chatbots often fall short in real-world sales conversions, whereas an agent that actively recommends products and interacts conversationally can boost engagement and revenue while reducing support workload. It's ideal for online retailers who want 24/7 personalized interactions, such as guiding a shopper through best-fit products and closing sales while the human team focuses on strategy. Explore it today and see how far it can take your ideas. Project number 10, Alpie Core, efficient AI reasoning model and platform. Here's something that feels like a leap in AI reasoning with Alpie Core, a 32 billion parameter reasoning model from 169 Pi designed to deliver strong multi-step logic, coding, research, and analytical capabilities at a fraction of the compute cost by operating at efficient 4-bit precision while remaining open source and accessible for developers and researchers. Alpie Core isn't just another large model, it's built around efficiency and practical reasoning, so you can integrate deep logic and planning into your workflows, deploy on more modest hardware, or use its API and playground to build agents and apps that need long context understanding and tool use without breaking budgets. This matters because many teams can't afford massive models, yet still need intelligent reasoning for tasks like code generation, research synthesis, or automated analysis, and Alpie Core bridges that gap with a model that scales performance while reducing resource demands. You could use it to power an autonomous assistant that digests documents, plans actions, and generates code solutions based on complex project requirements. Try it once, and you'll feel how much smoother your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like the video, subscribe, comment your favorite agent, and turn on notifications. Try the demos and sites linked in the description to see these agents in action. Share your suggestions and project links for our next video. We're excited to explore more great agent tools with you soon.